Guys, so I just want to give you a hash out to these fidget spinners. I just got one today, right? I'm gonna tell you where to get them. So you could get them from Walgreens, 7-Eleven, and Walmart. But the bad thing from Walmart to get these is, guess what? You have to order them online. Sorry guys, but you have to order them. So I just want to tell you and hash out to these. They're going popular now, so I just had to buy one. I'm going to show you how I spin it. I could do it like this. I could do one finger. Watch this. Okay, guys, so the camera just fell. Okay, let me show you. You ready? I could also do it like this. So I hope you guys like that. Go check it out. And go on YouTube and search up how to do tricks on with fidget spinners when you get one, right? And ooh, it'll show you so many tricks. And also search up I forgot. Oh yeah, how to spin it one-handed. It'll show you. Now look at me. I used to be like this, right? So slow. And now I looked on the YouTube. Anyway, I looked on all of them. And not all of them, most of them. And look. Hold on, wrong. So this is my two-handed. This is what I want. Oh, this is my one-handed. I could do it faster. Right? So I'm just gonna tell you a tip that I learned. So just do this. You do this, right? Thumb on the tooth, thumb and pointer finger, right? And then use your middle finger to push up. Boom. See, I told you I could do it faster. Oh, I just want to show you guys a quick trick. Okay, guys, I just want to show you a quick trick. You see my fidget spinner? So you see my fidget spinner, okay? You see it? If you hold it, right? Look, I'm in the bathroom, so, because my grandma, we was ordering the movie matches on the phone, right? So you do this, there we go. And guys, you keep spinning like that. So, I got it today, guys. Hashtag to these fidget spinners. Okay, guys. So, hashtag to King Chocolate. He's my best friend. Go check out his YouTube account. Search up King Chocolate, right? And then it's gonna be with random chocolate bars. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Hashtag delete. And share the love, guys. Bye.